We're presenting some work, photo installation and video with 3 different video vignette stories based on the life of Black families.
And a zine was also made by HighSnobiety and Miami Design District based on our work called Rituals, which is about Black family. Looking at art that they don't generally get to look at, just celebrating Black life in a not traumatic way, but in a very uplifting and lighthearted way. Work like this needs to exist, and people need to see others outside of just white people enjoying their lives and doing whatever they want.